Black Friday is around the corner, and research has shown that it's a time where lots of marketers make crazy amounts of sales. They even confirm that the amount of money some marketers make on a Black Friday could be more than the sum of every single sale they've made within the past 12 months. And this is the simple reason why top marketers try to build their lists as early as possible before this crazy day arrives. Lots of people will be buying a lot of stuffs online. But the question is, where do you belong? Will you be part of those selling or buying? If you would like to be part of those that will be selling, and of course those that will make the most money, then you have to start now to build your list so that you prepare them for this great day of sales. Whether it's your email list or your WhatsApp list, you need to start building it now. A proverb once said, you don't learn how to shoot the gun at the war front, you've got to prepare before the battle. And that's the same thing with building a list. You don't start building your list on Black Friday, you start building your list before Black Friday. Now this begs the question, what tool is best used to build a strong list? Serlzo is an all-in-one tool that a lot of top business owners use to build their list ahead of times and periods like Black Friday. With Serlzo, you not only build a strong list, you're able to send continuous messages, preparing your list actively for the great day of sales. Log on to www.serlzo.com or click the link in bio. Create yourself an account, select a suitable subscription plan so that you join the top 1% business owners who have started tilling the ground and preparing their list for the great day of sales. You don't want to be left out on that day.